The sperm life cycle is 2 to 3 months. New sperm cells are not just made overnight. In fact, sperm production takes around 64 days on the average. Some research suggests that healthy living can have a positive impact on sperm production, although it's going to take a while before this change is reflected in the health of sperm cells. On the opposite hand, for those who have recently been unwell or have slipped into some unhealthy habits, this might reduce sperm health a pair of months down the line. It's normal for the health of sperm to fluctuate throughout a man's lifetime, but those that have concerns about sperm quality should consult with their doctor for guidance. Female eggs can produce about 1 to 2 million eggs at the time of period. God bless you. Stay healthy, stay safe.